Hi, welcome to Project Control Summit. I'm K.Hollmann, owner of Validation Estimating LLC. Working with Koff and Guerrero Consultants, we'd like to introduce you to ValidRisk. It's a new cloud-based project cost and schedule, risk analysis and quantification application, and it's unlike anything that you've probably ever seen before. ValidRisk is the only application on the market that uses data-driven parametric risk analysis to quantify systemic risk. Most of you probably know those as inherent risk. And ValidRisk also quantifies critical risk events using the expected value method with Monte Carlo, which is built into the tool set. And it does so in a way that integrates cost and schedule analysis all in one package. For many, the concepts of systemic risk and parametric analysis are going to be new. So we invite you to visit the ValidRisk website, where you'll find that its parametric method is actually the most practical and realistic risk analysis and quantification method that there is. We can say that with confidence because it's backed by over 60 years of published empirical research. Further, parametric modeling is the only method that works for projects at any phase, including the most conceptual studies. And not only that, it works for engineering and construction projects of all sizes and in any industry. In the last 15 years, I've worked with owners, contractors, financiers in many industries to implement the methods successfully. Finally, I'd like to note that a key systemic risk is the level of project scope definition. Now, ValidRisk is designed specifically to support phase gate project systems. It comes with pre-built scope definition and other project system ratings in a set of matrices for most project types, including general construction, process plant, transport, pipelines, mining, and just about anything. If you have a unique project type, the ValidRisk team can help you set up the tool for that type of asset or project. By using the parametric method, you're not only analyzing uncertainty and risk, but you're actually assuring good project system governance within the phase gate system. We understand that ValidRisk is probably unlike anything that you've used or seen before. So we invite you to explore and understand the concepts and research behind the methods by visiting the ValidRisk website and check out the Learn About sections there. You'll find that the methods are aligned with AACE International recommended practices. And further, they're fully explained in the book that I wrote titled Project Risk Quantification. If you find your projects are overrunning more often than not, or that many of your cost and schedule predictions are outside of the actual outcomes are outside of the analysis range, or that your current methods are too time consuming or difficult to apply on projects large and small of all phases, you owe it to yourself to check out ValidRisk. Before I go, I should point out that if you leave your contact information below in the booth literature down, there's a little sign up section. You might win a signed copy of my book, and I'd really be glad to send that to you. We hope you enjoy the meeting and everybody stay safe.